The EZARC 4.5-inch cutting wheels in this 100 pack are impressively durable, lasting noticeably longer than many standard metal discs in regular shop use. Their very thin kerf allows the angle grinder to glide through metal with less resistance, which helps keep cuts quick, accurate, and relatively clean at the edges. Made with a tough, high-grade abrasive blend, these wheels stay sharp for a long time and resist chipping even when cutting harder stainless steel stock. They handle a wide range of ferrous materials, so one box can cover everyday cuts in carbon steel, stainless steel, iron, and common structural metals without constant wheel changes. The dimensions match most common 4.5-inch angle grinders with a 7/8-inch arbor, and they run smoothly at typical high operating speeds when mounted correctly. It is reassuring that the discs are built to recognized safety standards, giving extra confidence when working at full grinder speed as long as proper protective gear is used.